Welcome guys, look at what I have here. Okay, this machine, I'm going to show you how to fix it on your manual sewing machine, and it's going to make a neat buttonhole stitches for you. Yes, with this machine you can make a buttonhole stitch with your manual straight sewing. It's a nice one, you should go and get it. So make sure you pay close attention as I fix it. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, these are the components. Now this is the sample of the stitch. This one here, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now this is where it goes. It works together with this plate now, the round plate here. Now you bring it and you just fix it in like this. You just push it and it's going to clip. Now this is the clip. These two things now clips here, clips on the plate. So you just push it inside. Okay, first I'm going to loosen out the presser foot. This one is not supposed to be here. So you take off your presser foot, including the nut holding it. Take them off completely. Now I'm going to fix back this plate. I'm just going to open the clip a little bit. It's too tight, so it's not going in. So it just went in, but it's too free, so I'll close it a little bit. Alright, this is it. That's how it works. Now that's how to fix this one. Now secondly, we'll be fixing this other one. Now this is the main machine that makes it to work. Now watch closely as I fix it. Now just screw it from behind, let it go in between the presser foot rod, then you tighten it from here. Hope you are seeing it. Make sure you move it till it gets to the end. Understand? It's going to work with the presser foot rod. Make sure you fix it properly, then you drop the foot down, drop it. Now this one here, you are going to fix it on top of this, the needle tight. So just move it away and then you bring it like this. Now you tighten this one back. Make sure you tighten it very, very tight, so it won't move when you are sewing with it. Tighten the two screw, tighten them very strong. Alright, this is it. As simple as that. As you can see, it's reacting now. It's reacting. So now I'm going to fix in the belt so I can pedal it with the foot. Here is my shuttle. I'm going to fix in the shuttle now so I can test it out. As you can see, it's moving the fabric, but I haven't threaded it yet. Look at how it's reacting. That's how it makes the stitch. So now I'm going to thread it so I can show you how the stitch is. Okay, now we are going to make a buttonhole stitch. You can always control it with the presser foot, so it can go up and down. As you can see, it's stitching as easy as that. It's as simple as that. You are making a buttonhole stitch. Now if you want to return the stitch length, you wind it from here and the whole stitch length will come out. Then you put back your fabric again. I'm going to make another buttonhole stitch. Now if you want to thicken the stitch, you keep going. You can stitch it over and over again if you want the stitch to be more thick. Alright, this one is fine. Now this is it, buttonhole stitch on a straight manual sewing machine. So if you have gotten this machine already and you don't know how to use it, you can start using it now after this video. Alright, if this video is very helpful, do well to like and subscribe. You can also leave me a super thanks of any amount. See you on the next video.